are coming from Sweden with our Vermillas. This is Jamila. She became international champion yesterday.
This is Tasali. Means comfort in Persian, her name, and she also became international champion yesterday.
The Vermillas is a very nice breed because it's very easygoing. It loves people. It loves to be around you and check out what are you doing. And you don't have to work with it. Other people, they have to comb their coat and fix. But you just play with them and tap them a little bit.
Great. Now we think they are very beautiful, but the main reason we wanted this breed is because of their personality as a character. Because the character is very much alike an older cat that we had before that wanted to be where people are. And these cats also want to be where people are. So they follow you along in the house wherever you go.
It's still quite a small breed, although it has been accepted in FIFA for quite some time. It originates from an accident in London, weight 81, when a Burmese met a chinchilla Persian that they shouldn't have a love affair, but they did. But the breeder found out the kittens were very beautiful and nice, so they started a breeding program, and we were happy for that. The Vermilla, they like to have, they're intelligent, so they need company. If you are away from your home a lot, you should have a friend. It doesn't have to be another Vermilla, it could be a cat, whatever, domestic cat or a dog, but something who makes the day interesting. Or you will have to work from home.